Hello and welcome to Unlock Life. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. In this episode, we will see how to scan documents using Adobe Scan. Adobe Scan is useful because it turns your phone into a scanner. You can take pictures of documents, receipts, or notes, and it converts them into PDFs that you can easily share. Open the App Store on your phone and then on the text bar, type Adobe Scan. Now tap on Get. By doing so, we can download this app. Open Adobe Scan on your phone. Now click on the picture of the document that you want to scan. Now that you will be able to see multiple options at the bottom, let's check them out. If you tap Retake, you will be able to click the picture again. If you tap on the crop, you will be able to remove the unnecessary parts of the picture. If you tap on Rotate, you will be able to rotate the picture sideways, upside down, and etc. If you tap on Filters, you will be able to set the color of the document to which you wish to send it. If you wish to add more pictures to the document, tap on Keep Scanning at the bottom. Then you will be able to add more pictures. Once you are done, tap Save PDF. If you want to share this with someone else, tap on Share and then tap on Share a copy. Now you can easily WhatsApp it. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. You can download our app for more such tips. Download link is in the description below. Our app also provides assistance for any needy seniors may have. Our library has a huge collection of music, videos, games, and many more for seniors. You can also join our exclusive social club for seniors to socialize, discover, and enjoy. You can also call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411. Thank you and see you again soon.